In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Amazon Jobs account. Step 1. Open Amazon Jobs. Open your browser and go to the official Amazon Jobs website by searching for Amazon Jobs or visiting amazon.jobs. Step 2. Go to Privacy section. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Privacy and Data or Privacy. Step 3. Choose Region and Language. If prompted, select your region and language from the drop-down menus. Step 4. Find the contact email. Look for the contact email address provided for privacy or data deletion requests. Step 5. Copy the email. Copy this email address, then open your email app to start composing a new message. Step 6. Write the subject. In the subject line, type Request to delete Amazon Jobs account. Step 7. Write the email body. Clearly state in the email body that you want to permanently delete your Amazon Jobs account and include important details like your registered email address. Step 8. Send your email. Send the email to the provided contact address. And finally, Step 9. Wait for confirmation. Wait for Amazon's customer support team to process your request and confirm your account has been deleted. Important notes. This approach uses official Amazon channels. Only use official contact details and never share personal credentials publicly. If you run into problems, it's best to contact Amazon support directly. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.